Hello, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about the RetraxPro we just installed on this Toyota Tacoma. Now, this is a crew cab Toyota Tacoma with a 5-foot bed. Now, a lot of times I'm always talking about doing folding covers with these because you do lose a little space. So we're going to go over that today. We're going to go over the cover itself, and we're going to tell you, little pros and cons. Now, generally, first thing you'll notice when you look at this, it's one good-looking cover. I just love the way the Retrax looks. It is the MX, so that is the matte finish. And of course, being the Pro, this is the all-aluminum. So if you hear that, this is the all-metal one. Now, a lot of benefits of having all-metal. It does hold more weight. This holds 500 pounds, so that's one of the strongest rolling covers out there. Now, another nice feature the Retrax has, and this is one of the features that no one else does. You can lock this anywhere along the track. Most covers, every 6 inches, you can close it. Now, why is it better to have that way? Well, if you have something big and it's a little high and you want to use the cover to hold it in place while you're driving, well, you can take the cover, push it right up to that item, and now you got the tailgate and the cover holding it in place. So when you're driving, it's not moving all around on you. So that's a really nice feature. Now, a couple other features I'm going to go with. Now, as covers go, waterproof. We're going to talk about that right now. Now, when it comes to waterproof covers, there's no such thing as a waterproof cover. They're water-resistant covers. If you go into the manufacturer website, they always say water-resistant. Now, some are more water-resistant than others. Now, Retrax is probably one of the better ones. I give this from a scale from 1 to 100, around 98. Very small amount of water gets in there, but generally not much at all. A lot of times you'll talk to the customer who own this, they'll say it's waterproof. And the only time you generally get water is maybe around the tailgate area, but not too much. Now, if you look here, it's got a really nice seal. And this does a great job when you close the tailgate of keeping the water out. Now, another nice thing, if you look over here, there's also a very nice seal here that keeps the water from going into the canister. Now, the canister is designed to let water in there, so if you have water sitting on the bed and you go roll it up and it takes the water in there, no problem. It just drains it out. Also, if you look, I don't know if you can see with the camera, this has got a very nice seal all the way around here. The manufacturer has done its homework of doing everything they can to keep Mother Nature out. So let's go ahead and open it. Now, one thing you'll notice, this has a canister in here. Now, one of the reasons I don't always say get the rolling covers with the short beds is because you do lose a little space with the canister. But in reality, you don't lose that much. Take a real good look here. It's not a lot of space. You still got space underneath here. So you can still put that plywood in here. You only lose a little bit on top. So it's not really too bad. Again, this is a good looking cover, very functional. You got plenty of space still in the bed. Now, again, you take your little handle here. See, it's really easy to use. And then you lock it. Of course, you take the key and you lock it in here. Another nice feature about this cover is the manufacturer warranty. Now, most warranties might be 1 or 2 years or even 5 years. This has a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. Now, if we do the installation for you like we did for this guest, we're going to give you a full year on the labor. So if any adjustments need to be done, or if, let's say that lock breaks and they say, okay, the manufacturer going to send you a new lock. Well, we'll put that new lock in free of charge, which is really nice. That's under our labor guarantee. We even offer extended warranties on our labor guarantee as well. So when you're in the store, you can inquire about that. Now, as you know, we have our YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And as always, hit that like button. We really do appreciate it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And this is the RetraxPro MX. Thank you.